Great price range, Mercedes E-Class. Again, right spec. So it's an E220 AMG line coupe, 19,000 miles, £26,151. But it's got the premium as well. So it's the premium pack. So we've got the pan roof. We've got the premium options inside. Big diamond grille on the front, which just sets the car off. And I think for just over £26,000, I think it's a lot of car for the money. It's a 220 auto, so you benefit from great fuel economy, just comfortable drive. It's got the 19-inch wheels, and it's Iridium Silver. And I think Iridium Silver with the wheels, a black roof, glass roof as well, privacy glass, all works. And I think silver's becoming a more and more popular colour. I think if you get a great looking car with a kit, and the little black section's what breaks up, like the privacy, like the pan roof, it all looks right. Big twin exhaust on the back with it being the AMG line. You've got your sensors built in, it's got the camera as well, front and back sensors. And then inside, again, it's a premium, so we've got memory heated seats. You've got this beautiful Artico leather with an Alcantara interior, ambient lighting, and the pan roof. The pan roof is the massive option on this car. It's just a must, and I think it just sets the car off completely. You benefit hugely by having this pan roof. The ambient lighting inside, it's switchable, so at the moment it's in red. You can go into your options and change the colour. There's about, I think there's 10 different colour options. You've got your, with it being a premium, you've got your slightly larger navigation screen, which is in there, which I've just turned on, which has then got all the things you'd want. You've got your DAB radio, just letting the command load up now. You've got your command, Bluetooth, all your different options, USB as you can see. And it's a big screen, that's massive, and it just sets the car off, as you can see there. Well, now we've got the map on, it's huge. You've got your automatic gearbox with your paddle shifts, cruise control, again, automatic lights, automatic wipers, all the things you'd want. Now it's got that big pan roof. There's plenty of room in an E-Class as well. So there's 2 seats in the front, and then you've got 2 big seats in the back. But with it being the coupe, it's the right, it's the shape, isn't it, and the look of the car. It just looks slicker, sportier. You've got them big LED lights at the back. Electric tailgate. Boot space on them, again, is huge. And you've got the option of dropping them seats, which sometimes people like that. They buy coupe cars, and it's one of the things that people say, how can you drop the seats? Because some of them are fixed, and it does make a difference if they've got golf clubs or they need that extra space. Like I said, it's got them 19-inch diamond cut 2-tone wheels, which set the car off. Again, they're a key upgrade on this car. It's going on the website. PCP options on this car will be fantastic, because that car's a £50,000 new. It's just over 26,000. It's only done 19,000 miles. It's hitting the website now. If you want to call me direct, you can, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.